welcome back to Parish's Kitchen. This week I'll be making a citrus carrot salad. I'll be using the carrots and oranges from the Parchment School District lunches. This is a great healthy snack when you're craving something crunchy. Also, you can eat it as a side. Are you ready? Let's go! Now that we got everything in the bowl, we're gonna make the citrus dressing. Now we're going to pour the dressing over our ingredients in the bowl. Next, we're going to use this orange to zest over the top. You don't need a lot, and you don't want to get away down because the white part will be bitter. This smells like summer. Speaking of summer, look at Parish's Kitchen Facebook page for more information about Meet Up and Eat Up. Now we're gonna put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes so the flavors can blend together. Okay, this has been in the fridge about a half hour. So now I'm gonna enjoy my salad and I'll see you guys next week.